to what I would say. Could be us.
Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are gonna see how to make this glow effect using HTML and CSS. Here I use the atom editor, effect.html, effect.css. Let's write the HTML structure. For this glowing effect we have to use listing tag. Let's write ul li. We need 7 li tags, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's link the CSS file to this HTML. Link effect.css. Now live server, effect.html. Here it comes the li tag. Let's do some CSS to bring the glowing effect. Body margin should be 0 and padding should be 0 and background should be black RGB A 0 0 0 9. For UL position should be absolute, top 50% to make it to center, left 50%, and transform translate minus 50% by minus 50%. Here it comes the dots in the middle of the page. Let's go margin 0, padding 0, and display flags to make it horizontal. For li, let's do li list style none, and width should be 40 pixel, height should be 40 pixel, and background white. And for circle, border radius 50%. And for animation, glowing animation, glow 1.6 seconds is in out infinite times. Is in out means slow animation in the beginning and at the end. So right, let's target the first circle using li and child. Number 1, animation delay for the first circle should be minus 1.4 seconds, and background color should be yellow, and box shadow 0 0 50 pixel, and color should be same as background color. Missing. For the second circle, let's do the same thing to animation delay. For the second circle, animation delay should be minus 1.2 seconds, and background color should be 76 FF03 green, and box shadow same as first one 0 0 pixel 76 FF03. For third 3 animation delay should be for this minus 1 seconds, and background color we have 6292 92 pink, and box shadow 0 0 50 50 pixel f0 6 9 2 for fourth 4 for this animation delay should be minus 0.8 seconds, and background color violet, box shadow 50 pixel by violet color 68 C8. For the fifth child, let's do same thing, and fifth animation delay minus 0.6 seconds, and background color 68 C8. The color is same for the 4 and 5. Should not be 68, this should be 86, and this would be 86. And for 5, box shadow 50 pixel IBA 68 C8. For the sixth child, let's give and sixth, sorry, this side animation delay minus 0.4 seconds, and for background it should be 7C00. For box shadow 50 pixel by f5 7C00. And last circle and 7 for this animation delay should be minus 0.2 seconds, and for background color this one, and box shadow 50 pixel by 673B7. Now for the animation, let's use keyframes and glue. We have to put this glue name as the animation name is glue, so let's give it from 0% to 40% to 100%. The scale should be 0.2, and for 50% it will be transform scale 1. Let's see what problem is there. Let's go to 1. Oh, I didn't write the delay. Yes, it comes. So guys, this is the glow effect. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.